guys, so basically we want to make you guys a lovely ginger water. All right, the ginger water is going to be very easy. First thing what you'll need to do is have a lovely chunk piece of a ginger. Leave with the skin and just cut it up very finely. Put it into a blender. Lovely. Nice lovely chunk piece of ginger, and just rough about 3 tablespoons of water. So now we're going to blend this about 3 to 4 seconds. Lovely and nice. All right, so look at this. This is the best way to use ginger water to lose weight. Ah, that smells lovely. All right, so if you want to do this in the morning, do it in the morning. If you want to do it at night, do it at night. All right, so every glass of water, what you do, 1, 2 tablespoons of the ginger, and also tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So this is a very, very good way to use ginger and the apple cider vinegar together. And I drink this in the morning. This is a very good healthy drink, and this can help you to detox your body and also help you to lose weight at home. So natural ingredients, guys, can work very effective and very good at home. And just you have to use the ingredients very good. Any kind of ingredients which is natural is very good, like this one. Can't go wrong, guys. I want to say, you know what happened, guys? Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipe like this coming and a lot more ideas. Ginger water with apple cider vinegar can do miracle at home.